Ladies and gentlemen, today is an absolutely beautiful day. The reason why we have the newest Manscaped product in front of us right here. This is the Beard Hedger Plus. And if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for quite a while now, you know that I use my regular Beard Hedger, the first gen, all the time. Quick cleanups before church. I actually just edited a vlog video where I went to Jazz in Morocco. Literally, I used the Beard Hedger. I traveled with it. It's my go-to. It does such a great job, and this is just, full-blown transparency. Yes, this is a sponsored video by Manscaped, and I'm very thankful for their sponsorship, but in all honesty, I love the Beard Hedger. My brother loves it as well. I even recommended it to my good buddy in California. He hit me up, he's like, hey, is it legit? I was like, dude, it is a game changer, and it really is. Now, as we're getting into the video, if you do want 15% off of your order, this would be a great Father's Day gift coming up. In the description box right below the video, as well as the pinned comment, is going to be my code. Enter that code at manscaped.com. It's all going to be below, top link in the description box, as well as the pinned comment. Use that code at checkout at manscaped.com for 15% off and free shipping. Did you hear that? And free shipping. Okay, let's get into the video. In all honesty, dads don't need socks. They need beard trimmers. So let's go ahead and get it on open here. Now, I am going to be taking this for a whirl, so don't you worry about that one. Your boy's looking a little shamblish. I've grown out my beard for this precise reason. So we're looking absolutely fantastic here. Fully charges in 90 minutes. Beautiful. And you get 60 minutes of runtime with a full charge. Of course, we're going to show you the cleaning process. This is waterproof, IPX rated. It also has a travel lock. Let's get it on out and take it for a gander. And in the box, now don't forget about your accessories down in the box here. Let's go ahead and put that out of the way for right now. And bada bing, bada boom, we got that and another guard there. And I think that is it for the box. Let's open this guy on up right here and take a little look-see. That is going to be our USB to USB Type-C recharging cable, which just open up the little flap on the bottom and you charge it right here. And then close that bad boy up. And you could even take this in the shower with you. How cool is that? Double dip, save some time. Might as well brush your teeth in there while you're at it. So, very nice. I will give you a side-by-side comparison in just a second here when we go into the bathroom to trim from the first gen to the Beard Hedger Plus. So first and foremost, just like the first gen, this slides off beautiful. So you got your blade right here. So what I do is I cut my neck with this, like getting your neck. I'll show you all this in just a little bit here. And then that slips back in just like that. Go ahead and push that back into place. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on here. So power button, travel lock button down here. We have a battery indicator right here and it is on. That thing is humming and it's pretty quiet as well. It's a good fill in the hand as well, not to mention a good look to it, good design to it. So this right here, you push down and these click into place, and those you push that down and then you can get your different levels and you can back it up. So see how this is going out and then coming back in like that there. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Just a quick little press there. And again, that comes off entirely right there. And you can switch over to this one for your different lengths. So the steel blade is a 33 millimeter stainless steel square blade. And the smaller comb, which is going to be this one, is 1 millimeter through 10 millimeters. And this one is 11 millimeters through 20 millimeters. So you got plenty of lengths that you can mess around with there. That is for sure. So again, just simply goes out, goes in for your different lengths. And then, again, pulls off right there, and I'll show you how to rinse this. Super simple. That just flips off the very top there if you need to clean that out. And just like their first gen, you push that all the way back towards the back, snaps back into place just like we saw right there, and you are good to go. All right, let's get to the bathroom and get a trimming. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. Your boy's looking a little scruffy right here. So again, all this right here, this is just overgrowth right here. I don't like to have my beard this long, but I grew it out for this specific reason. Not to mention it's been crazy dry here in Colorado. So I have my smallest guard on, meaning it's the smaller comb, 1 through 10. Let's go ahead and lock that into place right there. Now, first and foremost, let me show you the Beard Hedger first gen compared to the Plus. The Plus is going to be on the left-hand side, and it is going to be a smaller unit overall, much smaller. Now, the first gen does have the wheel in the middle, and then this one does have the little slider bar right here, as we can see. This obviously feels more compact in the hand, feels a little bit more aerodynamic, and it overall is a lot smaller device with thinness for traveling especially. So let's go ahead and set the first gen down out of the way. So typically I go with a 4 on the sides right here, and then I do the mustache about 6.5, and then I like to clean up around the mustache to thin it out a little bit so it doesn't look Ned Flanders. So I see my 4 mark right here. Let me go ahead and turn it on, and we'll go ahead and get gripping and ripping. So let me make sure that you are seeing the shot as we are going to go and rip. I'm going to have to clean my sink after this, but it's all right. Go all the way around, but this honestly does not take that long. This is exactly what I do before church, clean up. And if you do get any hairs, remember, just crank it off, that right there. Shake that in the trash can. That will remove some hairs, depends how much beard hair you do have. Cranking it back on. This is where it gets really thick right through here. And not to display my age, but your boy's getting a few little grays right in the chin area right here, which I do not like. So I go up right to about my mustache line right here and here. Stop there with 4. This thing is ripping through, doing a great job. Obviously, it doesn't really matter. I shouldn't spend too much time down here because I'm just going to use the metal blade. Yeah, my skin is crazy dry from the weather we've been having. I almost get like surfer chapped skin on my chin. But in all honesty, sometimes I edit videos and I do this. I don't know if you guys do that or not. And that really dries out that exactly the area where it's like super, super dry. I need to use some more castor oil. Again, play with your lengths. Less is more, meaning you can always knock it down a number if you need to. So if you like a little bit more of a beard, obviously crank it up a little bit. I don't like beard, I like longer stubble. Okay, so now we're gonna pull off the guard right here as hair comes down. We'll get the vacuum out, don't worry about that one. Then we're gonna go ahead and crank it on one more time. And we're going to do the neckline with the stainless steel blade. And you just go all the way around below your jawline and then go upwards and start cleaning it up. I even do this for the back of my neck. Trust me, you don't want those hairs right here on the back of your neck. Those things are nasty. And again, I mean, if you have a mirror in the shower, just bring this in the shower with you because once again, it is waterproof rated. Don't forget about your cheeks. You don't want too high of hair up on your cheeks. And then I use the stainless steel. I'm gonna go ahead and get pretty close in the mirror, but I'm gonna start thinning it out a little bit. It just is kind of more like, not pencil mustache, but not Ned Flanders. So any kind of pinkish you see here, that's from the dried, my dried skin. My skin is very interesting. Sometimes it'll be like the most gorgeous thing ever, like nothing. And then I'll get like some little spots right here that dry up and I start picking at it. And then obviously a scab right there. So it's almost like my skin goes through like its own exfoliation. Now, currently, filming this, we are still in spring. So obviously it's going from like winter to more warmer, drier. Colorado's very dry. I grew up in California. I'm used to moisture. Okay, that's looking pretty good there. Again, ignore the chapped face. So again, I thinned it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna get right above my lip and kind of thin that out so it's not overhanging. We're not done, remember. I'm gonna go ahead and crank this back on. I might go with maybe the highest one just to see what that one does. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, because I don't want a mustache, I wanna then knock this down. So I got this in a, let me see here. Let me see what a 10 does. It's not getting much, so let me knock it down to an 8. I think I'm gonna go down to my original plan of maybe keep it crispy at a 7. Yeah, you know what? I'm feeling frisky. Maybe go down to a 6 because it's still, again, this is why it's so cool. So if you want a little bit more of a mustache on some stubble, that looks pretty cool. But it's a little bit too much of a mustache than I want for the short stubble. So we'll knock that down a little bit more. You can make very slight alterations. I don't even know if that's the right word for it, but oh, that's nice. Look at that. Again, forgive the chapped face. I keep saying that, but look at how clean that is into a nice mustache and then coming around. Within minutes too. Very, very nice. And also not what it's meant for, but let me show you this arm right here. So if you can see that, which you should be able to, that one is pretty hairy. It's a lot longer than I typically like it. And I literally just used it in like 2 minutes or less and trimmed it down to exactly the length like my neckline would be right here. Again, not what it's meant to do, but no cuts, no nicks. Does a great job. I typically do that. I do beard and arms. You might as well. Well, you got it out. I need to do my other arm actually. And then let me show you how easy it is to rinse this thing off. And then simply when you're ready to go, again, just click off the top right there. You will most likely, especially if you trimmed down pretty short like I did, you might have some hair right here. Depends how long it is. I wouldn't necessarily do like if you have some longer hairs, clumps, throw those in the trash. Now, if you have a small brush, you can clean that out. Or again, waterproof rated, simply just clean your stainless steel blade. Put that on the towel to dry and your beard hedger right underneath the sink, the water. I like to splash out the remainder water, put it right there to dry. And because I use this one, I'm gonna go ahead and wash that comb as well. Put that right on the towel right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Well, once again, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, it's still a little bit damp. I'll put it back on the towel here in just a second. Again, ladies and gentlemen, top link in the description box right below the video as well as the pinned comment is going to be the Beard Hedger Plus by Manscaped. Again, use my code at checkout. It's all going to be in the top link in the description box below as well as the pinned comment. Use my code at checkout on manscaped.com for 15% off and free shipping. That's absolutely incredible. Again, grab this for Father's Day gift. Pick one up for yourself as well. You might even double dip and get some for upcoming presents, birthdays, stocking stuffers. You guys get the idea. Very cool. Keeping it crispy and clean. Thank you again to Manscaped for sponsoring this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Make sure you thumbs that video up on the way out and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, DIY house remodel projects, tech reviews, and more. My name's Chris, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.